And are you refreshed? Good. Now what?
My question is, my English is, I want to know more about clarity. Clarity.
Well, clarity is alignment. And of course you know that. But the degree of alignment, not the degree of alignment, but the longevity of it, the momentum of it. If you're in a place of not much resistance, so that you're allowing your engines of desire to gather some speed, that speed soon feels like clarity. You know how clarity and knowing feel the same? It's like you know what your inner being knows when you're not muddying the waters with thoughts that are in opposition. And so don't reach for clarity immediately from confusion, because you're not going to find it. Although you never want clarity more than when you're in confusion. But sometimes it takes, our friend talked earlier today about how sometimes it feels like his inner being is leading him on a sort of wild goose chase. Well, sometimes you have to sort of make your way to clarity. Sometimes you have to continue to know what you don't want, and sometimes it just takes a little while to get there. But if your desire is clarity, which means your desire is perfect alignment, which means your desire is momentum with your inner being, then it just means be as happy as you can be on as many things as you can for as long as you can, and clarity will begin to occur to you relative to many things, until you will find yourself in situations where you actually know things that you really don't think that you have any business knowing, because you don't have any personal or recent experience with it. You just know, sort of like sometimes driving, and with great clarity you just change lanes just in time to avoid something, and you think, oh, that was lucky, and we say, no, that was clarity. That was enough alignment that you were inspired to behavior from broader perspective, who has always immense clarity about things. So we would say that clarity is sort of the ultimate human experience. In a moment, you seeing the world through the eyes of source. Clarity is you right here, right now, seeing as your inner being sees. Yeah.
Okay. I have a second question. Yesterday you talked about wait to the momentum. Okay, don't action too fast.
Let the momentum carry you to action. Yes. In other words, it's best if you just can't not do it. If you make yourself do something, often it's a bumpy ride. But if you wait until the clarity
is there, okay,
is so profound that you just feel such compelling desire to do it, then that's the best. And of course, you can't always do that. We know you have things you have to do, or you believe you do, and you need to be at work, and you need to feed your kids, and sometimes you don't do it with the greatest of clarity. But you can get more and more at that until more moments can be moments of clarity. And oh, it's so delicious to live life like that, isn't it?
Thank you.
Yes, indeed.